Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Arvanda Regita Larasati, and in this video I would like to present about my team paper entitled The Benefits of Using Public Transportation to Reduce the Carbon Dioxide Emissions, a case study of Surabaya. So in this slide, I would like to tell you about why this study is important. The transportation sector is one of the largest contributor to carbon dioxide emissions in urban areas. In Surabaya, private vehicles dominate the increasing energy use and air pollution. The city has introduced Surabaya Bus, Transmangi, and other public transportation to manage this issue. However, the public shift from private to public transportation remains low. So, it is very important to evaluate the effectiveness of public transportation in reducing carbon dioxide emissions. In this slide, I would like to tell you about the methodology that we use to create this paper. The research design is actually descriptive and quantitative. The data type we use is actually the secondary data that we got from the government reports, literature, and official sources. The study area is in Surabaya. Focus years for this study is from the 2022 until 2024, and the variables we use. There are 5 variables: energy consumptions, travel distance, emission factors, a number of electric buses, and the last is analysis by calculation and comparison of annual carbon dioxide emissions. On the right side, you can see the emission calculation formula for the diesel bus and electric bus. There are 4 key parameters. There are diesel consumption with value of 0.4 and electric consumption with value 1.1, diesel emission factor with value 2.68, and the last is electricity emission factor with value 0.7. After we did the calculation, you can see the result in the table. In the year of 2022, there is no reduction of carbon dioxide emission because at that time still there is no electric buses that implemented in the field. And in 2023, the reduction of carbon dioxide is actually reaching into the number of 8,000 with the electric buses, with the number of electric buses 7, and in 2024 the reduction is actually reaching and as the highest reduction comparing to the 2 years before. Because the more implementation of electric buses is actually 4 times than the 2023. So in this last slide, I would like to tell you about the conclusion we got from this paper. The first is electrification of Surabaya bus successfully reduced carbon dioxide emission from 2022 until 2024. And in 2023, the percentage of reduction is actually reaching 9.47%, and in 2024 the total reduction from the baseline is actually reaching 55%. The fourth, it shows strong correlation between number of electric buses and emission decline. Number 5 is maximum environmental benefits depend on cleaner electricity resources, increased electric fleet size, higher public adoption of public transportation, and the last is this study provide a model for other Indonesian cities seeking low carbon transport solutions. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.